Everybody, welcome to another video in the Watch Me Practice Trading series. This is new and improved for 2025. We're trading the NQ on October 2nd for this particular video here. This is video number 6, I believe, on October 2nd. Yes, video number 6. This will be video number 15 in the series, where we started on October 1st. We did 9 sessions, and then we're up to here now. So we're starting at 10:08 a.m. Local time. That's about 90 minutes into the market, a little bit over 90 minutes, 100 minutes, whatever. We have started with a 50K account. We can actually, so we did how much? We did 34,900 on day one. We're at 21,025 so far this morning. So total gains 55,950. We started the $50,000 account, so we basically doubled it in this series so far. And then we can go up to 28 NQs. Maximum right now, and we won't really probably hit that many. At least I hope not, but we'll see what happens, right? So let's kind of take a look at the market here, see what's going on. We have time charts on the left here. These two are time charts, 5 minute, 1 hour. Then we have tick charts, small, medium, large over here on the right hand side in the middle. And there's also a 15-second chart off screen, which is kind of like this guy here in the top right. So this chart here, the 2000 tick is the main one that I'm trading on, although I can drop some trades on other charts as well. But we'll kind of see what happens here. It's been a while since I did my last video, so I really don't remember what I was doing. But I apparently drew a whole bunch of levels over here, right? We've got on the 1 hour chart, we're coming up to a momentum or a bias check over here. How are we looking over here? We're momentum long, momentum shortish. I don't know what's going on over here. Maybe change over, right? We are momentum long. We are momentum long. We are momentum long. I think it's telling us that we're momentum long. We are right at a pivot, which is this line over here. So we're kind of gonna hang out on the sidelines here for a little bit, see what happens, because I think just by looking at things right now, I'm more apt to say that we are going up. And if we do go up, here's a good target right there at 20,000, I don't know, about 111, 112, something like that. But we're at a pivot, so, it could very well go down. And, we'll kind of hang out, be a wallflower for a little bit, see what it's going to do, because it's not necessarily a great time to get into a trade. But let's see. We did okay this morning, so how risky do we feel? We want to be a little aggressive. Is it going to make a big move up? Don't quite know yet. So we were kind of going sideways here for a while. We broke out of that. Now we're in this next area right above here. We hit a volume imbalance, kind of came back down, continued up. So let's see if it's going to continue the direction that it's going, right? It's going to do this, then go back down, maybe like that. Maybe not the same inclination here, but that looks plausible. Weekly open right above it. Let's see what else is up here. A bunch of other lines. And Let's see. Are we expecting a little bit of a reaction? I think we might. Looks like we are getting one. How low can it go? Let's say for a move up, we'll kind of think, hey, this is a good entry down here. Is it going to make go down any further? Nope. Looks like it might not. So I just got in for one contract right here just to participate in case it goes up. We'll tack on 4 more contracts if it comes down here. There you are. Try to catch these arrows to remove them. Let's see. Do we want to get rid of some of this other stuff? Why not? Oh, it's in arrow draw mode. No. Get rid of that box. Yeah, I know there's a lot of stuff on here. Okay, so we are in profit. It did go back up. So 71 contract. Long happened right here. Let's see, we're about, let's get out right here. I'm thinking it might pull back some more. Could totally be wrong. It's probably going to rip up. But we booked 345 with a single contract. I mean, that's a-okay, right? And let's try to get back in down here. Oh, it's only one contract. We want to get in for 2. Whoa. Boo. Hope the bus doesn't leave without us. So there's another long. It's like a 50 right here. Okay. Oh, so I need to concentrate on my entry here. We'll do this and this. Maybe I should have stuck with that, but it looks like it might go down. So over on this chart, I've got my entries and stuff. So we can see kind of this trade that we did. Okay. What are you doing, dude? You're leaving without us. So we hit our 1 hour line over here. So that's at 20,060. What's that from? It's from over here. It's like from this thingy up here. Some weird scrolling going on in this chart. Okay, if it goes up, probably go up here. So that's 45 points. Here, we're going to be patient. And that's difficult. And man, I should have stayed in that or added to it. Strong move up. What time is it? 10:19. Somebody just picked up another 50 right at that circle. So that's probably going to mean it's going to go back down. So they are immediately in the red. Let's see how much momentum it's got going up.
Absorption bubble.
Come back down a little bit more. Make this person sweat. And it got us for 2. So pick this up here. And let's buy all the way down to here. So right now, let's take a look at these moves. Okay. We got 86 up, approximately 53 down. Uh, hmm. So it's like a 90-point moves up, and we're like right at the end of that. I'm not saying it's not going to go up anymore, but I'm not saying it won't go up anymore, but I'm saying it might come down. We're in for 6. In for 10. Now's a good place for it to go back up. and see where we got in on all these spots here. We're in for 12 long. Somebody just shorted 47. Okay, where's our target on the top side going to be? We got 20,100 right here. And our target is up here. Our first entry was at 80. Or 78. So we're going to be patient. How are we looking on these? So momentum long, momentum short, bias long, momentum long, bias long, momentum long, bias long, making us nervous. So here is a spot where we could very well likely be wrong on this long, at least for the short term. So when I measured this stuff here, I should have been more open to the 90-point runs. So this is a spot here, this area around 40. Tack on 4 more. Okay, this is either a pullback and continue going down further, or it's like, hey, I'm done going down. Let's go back up. So we need to decide when we get up to here, what are we going to do? This is looking good. But when price gets down here by the OR high in 2 seconds, it's not going to be good. So it's a good move up. We're almost at break even. Do we believe that it's going to go back up here? I am not convinced. But we are in profit. There's that. And we got pushed back down like immediately. I don't like where this is going. I do like where this is going. Look at that. I changed like the wind. But I think we need to restart. I think we definitely might need to restart here. Let's give it a couple seconds and we're going to probably get out and restart. So it's stalling. Big wicks on the top end. No good. Should have gotten out earlier. But let's see. Let's see what happens. So that dinged us, which kind of sucks. But we're still positive $55. I think we got dinged for like 300-ish. I think we're like 340 or whatever it was. Oh, I'm glad we got out of that. Look at that. No bueno. Wish we got out sooner. Could have booked like $1,000. So what are we believing? Momentum short switch here. Still long. Let's see. How long is this video? 25 minutes? Maybe it's a good time to call it here. What time is it? 10:30. Did it switch at 10:30? When's 10:30? 28. It's 10:30 right here. So yeah, 10:30 it started tanking. So we had two trades. This one was decent. Oh, $345. This one was it all together. That math is hard. Well, I guess it was a $290 loss. If my math is right, and it's probably not. That's okay. But yeah, it looks like might hold this, keep going, or I don't like that it's going sideways. Maybe it's going to start ranging here. So move up. Does anything make sense here? Pivot point on the low side. How big is this pullback? This pullback is approximately 40 points. This is a bigger pullback. 60 points. A little bit of a push up. Get rid of this line. So I don't like how it's right at that line that we drew from that area all the way in the left. We either drew it on the 5 minute or the 1 hour, one of the two. So, I mean, that could be resistance. So resistance here, this line over here. But this flip back long, do we do a single exploratory participation? Yes. We're in for one long. Maybe we'll lose our 55 bucks. Don't want to add a second one because it's struggling with this level. But it does look like it's getting some momentum to go up. I'll just get out here. 120 bucks, 28 minutes into this video. We'll stop it here. We'll maybe continue the next one at 10:37-ish. So how'd I do over here? I mean, these little trades that I did, the little single contract longs, those are okay. They're quick little grabs, snatch and grabs of the market. I don't like this mess. This was stupid. I should have believed this move down more instead of averaging into it. And I should have caught this impulse down. Think of it like an overshoot of this level by like 20 points. Maybe that's the thing to consider. If it's a level, maybe within 20 points, if it reverses, expect some kind of pullback and it's like oscillating on this level. Actually, I'm glad I got out of that because look at it, it's down now. But yeah, we'll start the next video on 10:38. So these little ones were okay. This was kind of like a C trade. I'm glad I got out of it. I could have hung on to it longer and gotten more out of it, but still, take your profits while you can, or in that case, it was like almost $300 loss, and live to trade another day instead of being thousands in the red. So, yeah, thanks for watching this one. We'll see you in the next one, probably at 10:38, if not the afternoon. All right, thanks everybody.